Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Thomas. I'm the armpit of the beauty community. Halbert back at it again with yet another video. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out a bunch of new hyped up products. I have the new Morphe x Jaclyn Hill brushes I'm going to share my thoughts on. Have some new Too Faced, NARS, Dior, Fenty Beauty, Anastasia, Beauty Blender girl. We have some new products to test out today. I'm super excited. If you are not already subscribed, I would love to have you a part of this little family. We're pretty chill over here and we enjoy memes. While you're down there, don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you are notified when I do post a video. And when you hit that bell notification button, click the all option when you click on that so you can get notifications for all of my videos and not just like random ones, because I'm sure you're subscribing to see my content and YouTube likes to do this thing where it doesn't push people's content anymore. So be sure you have that bell notification turned on and like this video if you like these kind of videos. They help me out a lot. And comment down below some videos I should do, because low-key I am pre-filming right now. I am pre-filming a bunch of videos and I need some video ideas. Anyways, let's get right on into this video. I don't have any new primers to try out, so I already primed my face. I use right now my favorite holy grail combination for primer is the Tatcha the Silk Canvas primer. So good. And then on top of that, I'll put the vitamin enriched face base from Bobbi Brown right over top. Whew! I am overwhelmed. I have not filmed one of these videos in a minute. So for foundation today, I have the new Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. Bounce Foundation. Why is it? So for camera, hello? Can we focus? Like, what are we doing? Shade Blend 1.30. This is what the packaging looks like. I freaking love the packaging of this. Like, I find this packaging to be super innovative. I've never seen foundation packaging like this before. So I'm very curious to see how this is going to work out. Now, I've held off on reviewing this product for a plethora of reasons. It's 2018. If you're coming out with a foundation shade range that is awful, you're just like stuck in a place that's just not vibing with how we vibing over here. So if you're coming out with shit like this, where there's like 3-4 dark shades and then a plethora of medium to white shades, at this point, I will agree and I will say my opinion on this is brands do this for the hype. Tarte Cosmetics, Beauty Blender, any other brands that are trying to do these horrible shade ranges, I think they're using this to their advantage. I think they're using, because right now, negative hype is the only hype a lot of these brands are getting these days. And that's all I'm gonna say about that on that. I know you guys probably didn't even wanna hear that, but I'm gonna test this out. Very disappointed in Beauty Blender. If you guys want a great dupe for their sponge, if you're someone that's looking for a great dupe for their sponge, that's even better than their sponge. So that the Japanese sponge is an amazing sponge. You guys literally sold this out on Ulta because of my recommendation. At least I'm gonna say it's because of my recommendation. I'm not gonna talk for 8 million hours on a product again, so don't worry. This is the last time I'm gonna have like a huge spiel on a product in this entire video. I'm gonna take the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH03 brush. So basically with this foundation, you just kind of have like this pump right here and you just pump it. So that's what she does. So I really don't know what this foundation is supposed to be, if it's supposed to be full coverage. Okay, I don't like it with a brush already. So I'm just gonna do what they want you to do with it. And I think this is low-key gross. Like, I don't think that's very sanitary, but I'm gonna say this is like a medium coverage, a light to medium coverage. Medium to full coverage. I'll give her medium to full. I really don't know if I'm liking this or not. It looks just a little bit heavy right here. It's not grabbing onto my dry patches. Okay, so my first impressions on this foundation, I find it to be just a little bit cakey right in this area, but everywhere else it looks really, really pretty. And I did feel like it took a little bit of time to really blend her out and make her look pretty blended into the skin. But right now I'm not mad at her. I'm not mad at her. Mad at her shade range, but I'm not mad at the actual product itself. It definitely is emphasizing my pores a little bit. That's my only gripe with it right now, is that it's emphasizing my pores. Everything else, I like it. After putting powder on, I actually like it a lot more. I still feel like this, like just like where my pores are the most prominent, I feel like it still is emphasizing them just a little bit more. Like it looks a little bit more oatmeal-y. Does that make any sense? So moving on into contour, blush, and highlight to finish up this mug. I have something I'm very excited about. I actually bought this because of Samantha Ravindal here on YouTube. She recommended this at the VAB stuff with Sephora, her like recommendations or whatever. It's the Dior Backstage Contour Palette. I have been hearing everyone. I bought the foundation too. I'll probably throw that in a future first impressions. I have been hearing such good things about this contour palette from Dior, especially these two shades. I've heard this is like really good. Basically, I listen to everything that Samantha Ravindal recommends because she has, one, she's a pale princess like me, and two, she has warm undertones like me as well. And to contour this face, I'm going to use the JH04 brush. So I'm gonna mix these two together. All right, don't let me down, girl. I'm obsessed. High key and low key. I really like that. I definitely recommend it, like, immediately. I already know that that's like, I already know this is gonna be like my go-to. Okay, so moving on into blush, I have this Narcissist blush in Wanted 1. Has all of these blushes in it. I'm gravitating towards Crave. Actually, I'm gonna start off with Kingpin, and then I'm gonna, if I don't like it, then I'll go into Crave. So I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill 06 brush, the JH06 brush. This is like perfect for blush, like the best blush brush. You guys know how I'm so obsessed with blush right now. Ooh. So this is the shade Kingpin. If you have a deeper complexion, they have like a deeper version of this as well. I was gonna pick up that one because I like the shades in that one a little bit more. But I ain't mad at this, sis. I'm gonna dip a little bit into Crave, just like the tiniest amount, because y'all know how I like my blush. I like this a lot. Definitely would recommend this as well. Moving on into highlighter, I am so excited about this. It is the How Many Carats highlighter from Fenty Beauty. This is not mine. This is my friend He Flawless Kenneth's. He let me borrow this because I was too excited to wait for mine to come in the mail. It's definitely been used and abused already, so ignore that. So freaking excited to put this on my face for the first time today. I'm gonna take this JH09 brush. Oh my god, I'm so excited I might fucking fall over. So this is supposed to be a colorless pearlescent. So it's supposed to work on any skin tone. I would have to agree with the any skin tone statement because I did do my friend Kenneth's makeup using this and it looked gorgeous on the skin tone. I will say there might be a little bit of a cast if you are on an even deeper complexion, like a white cast. It is supposed to be colorless, but again, this has like kind of like white pearls in it, pearlescent glitter type stuff on it. So what I would recommend, and what I did on Kenneth as well, is I started off with a deeper highlighter shade as like the base, and then on top I applied this to really make it look wet, because I promise you this highlighter makes you look wet. Oh my god, Fenty, you have me out here. You have me out here. The bitches have arrived. I can't stop applying this. This is over. This is the highlight of the year. Period. Highlight of the fucking year. I'm shook. I'm literally shook. I have not been shook by a makeup product in so long, and I'm sitting here fucking shook. Moving on into eyeshadow, I have two things. Well, I guess technically more than two things, but like two different things that I want to show you guys. I had no idea NARS had single shadows. I know these aren't technically hyped up products, but I'm finna hype these up if they're good. Just kidding, these are fucking expensive for no reason. This is the shade Outreamer, whatever the fuck that means. And then we have Fatal, which is giving me fall vibes AF. Fatal. We have Persia, which I think I may use today. Maybe. And then lastly, I picked up Doiro. It's like an electric neon yellow. So I think these are sickening. I'm ready to try these out. And then the hyped up product, just so I can keep on trend with the hyped up vibe. You guys asked me to put the Norvina palette in her own first impressions video. I put this in my Fortnite video. I didn't necessarily review it, so I'm gonna kind of review it in today's video. Try to give a look with this. I don't want to use the purples in this. I'm so sorry. You can drag me in the comment section down below. I kind of want to use both the NARS single shadows and the Norvina palette. So we're gonna try to come up with something there. I know you guys want me to use this blue shade, but I'm telling you right now, I'm not really feeling up to the whole blending a blue shade out kind of vibes today. You know what I mean? I'm not really feeling that vibe. Should I just use the palette alone on its own? That's what I'm gonna do. Sorry guys, if you guys want me to put these single shadows in a future video, let me know. So we're gonna play with this palette right here, the Miss Norvina palette. Ooh, you are definitely zoomed in. So going into the JH32 brush, I'm gonna dip into Miss Love. Oh, how cute. What a cute name. Miss Love. This shade is so fucking pretty. Now going into the shade Passion. I'm just gonna deepen this up just a little bit. I love these tones, especially for fall. I love these tones. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I just went ahead, finished up my eyeshadow. I know I got a little bit carried away with the eyeshadow. Things just got a little bit hectic with the eyeshadow. It's super late and I couldn't stop myself. So if you guys want to know what I did to finish up the eyeshadow, I just applied a little bit of shade Wild Child on the center of the lid, kind of brought it up to the brow bone, kind of faded out into the blush a little bit, and then I took these like multi-use things from Makeup Forever, which are really nice. It has my name on it. How cute. It's so cute. And I took the pencil. They're called the Artist Color Pencils in the shade Fuchsia, this one right here, and I put that in my waterline. These can be used on the eyes, lips, anywhere on the face. They're like multi-use, so they're literally usable for any part of the body. I really liked pretty much everything, basically everything that I tried in today's video. I liked a lot. The only thing I will have to say is the foundation just ain't it for me. I had a powder throughout the duration of filming this video a lot, like 3 more times. It's kind of settling in my fine lines. I've had to buff it out. It just doesn't seem like a foundation that will wear very nicely on the skin. I will definitely keep you guys posted. I'll try this foundation one more time and keep you guys posted in a future video, maybe on my Instagram story or in my on my Twitter. But yeah, this is the finished look. I literally loved everything except for the foundation. And I just want to disclaim this. I'm not saying I hate the foundation because I hate the fact that they had a horrible shade range. That's not it. I promise you that's not it. I hate it because I just don't like it. I don't even hate it. I just don't like it. It doesn't work for my skin. I feel like if you have even drier skin than I do, I think you might like the foundation a little bit more if you can actually find your shade. Is there anything else I want to touch on? My favorite product that I tried hands down has to be the Fenty Beauty highlighter. This is the highlighter of the year. So wet. Literally, if you want glass skin, this will give you glass skin. If you want highlight that's like good for everyday, oh my gosh, it's so fucking pretty. It's just so pretty. I like the fact that it doesn't have an undertone, so when you look straight ahead, it's not necessarily going to give like a cast on the cheeks. Literally after I'm done filming this video, I am going to go on fentybeauty.com and order 2 more of these. I've already ordered 1, but I know for a fact that I'm going to keep ordering these because something tells me they're going to not keep this in their permanent collection. Something in my gut tells me this is not going to stay in their permanent collection. The Norvina palette's not bad. I liked her. Just like any other Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, minus Lip Culture, we don't talk about her. Loved this Dior contour palette. This is definitely going to be my current go-to. What else? Love the Narcissist blush. I think that's pretty much everything, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, my next videos over the course of leading up until October, they're going to be pretty much pre-filmed. Just because I want to go on a 2-week vacation. I still haven't decided if I'm going to be doing once or twice a week during my vacation. And this isn't just like a vacation where I'm like, ooh, bougie. I'm going home to see family and to just kind of rezen myself, recenter myself, and really focus on healing with some things. I posted it on my community page if you want to really read on it, and I posted it on my Instagram if you really want to read on it. But I definitely need this time to heal and work on myself and work on my mental health. Also, I wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you guys for supporting me and giving me this platform and allowing me to be able to do something like this, because I know a lot of people go through what I'm going through and can't necessarily get a break. You know, can't necessarily get a break from work, can't get a break from everyday life. And listen, I totally understand that I'm in a place of privilege in that sense. And I just want to thank you guys for giving me that chance, because I really feel like this is really going to help me. And I really urge you guys, if you can take off work, if you are dealing with some mental health stuff, and if you are dealing with some certain issues right now in your life, I really do urge you to try to get off of work, or, you know, take a break, at least on the weekends when you don't have work. Just take a break to yourself and work on yourself. And I know not a lot of us can do that because bills and stuff like that, but if you can, if you have the means to, please try. Save up, do something. I really urge you guys to do that, because it will really help you in the end. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I've been ending my videos in such like a dramatic ass way. Anyways, I love you guys. I can't wait to see you in Monday's video. Bye. Ew, I hate how I just said bye. Bye, guys. Ew. Okay, what is happening? I love you guys so much. Bye. What am I doing? Okay. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. I need to go to bed. I need to go to bed right now.